Good morning, class 11. Once again, welcome back to e-learning platform of Sant Michael Higher Secondary Bethiya. Students, as a routine work, I am providing you how to write different kinds of letter. Students, today I am going to just make you aware of official letters, which is an integral part of letter writing. If two questions may be there, an official letters must be one of them as the tradition of our previous examinations. Students, an official letter is a formal letter written by an individual or on behalf of an organization. It is addressed to the concerned official of a bank, a gas agency, telephone, police department, municipal authority, some police official or deputy commissioner with a view to seek some redressal or relief or to give some suggestions for improvement in the state of affairs within their jurisdictions. Here we use formal, impersonal, yet pleasing tone. Students, official letter may be written by an individual or on behalf of an organization. Its tone must be formal, impersonal, and it should not be just embarrassing tone. Rather, it should be pleasing in concept. Students, if you are writing such letters, keep in mind the following points. You should keep following points in mind. Avoid an intimate tone or style. Be polite and formal. Don't use intimate greetings. Be straightforward and to the point. You should not round about the way. Your everything should be straightforward, and that should discuss the point that you want to make it as a part of main body. Students, you should also remember, identify yourself and state the purpose or aim of writing. Explain the point or issue, giving concrete details. Close the letter with a request for appropriate action in the matter. That may be request or appeal and any other mode of explanation. Students, keep all these points in mind while you are framing, while you are writing an official letter. These points will make you aware and able to write beautiful and meaningful official letters. Students, now I am going to just give one example. Here you are instructed to write a letter to the superintendent of police of your town lodging a complaint against the reckless driving by teenagers resulting in road accidents. Some suggested points have been given here. You cannot claim for that I need suggested point, but if it is given, if they are given, they should be just put whenever you are writing this type of letter. Students, now I am going to just give you sample letter that I have discussed earlier, where sender's address has been written, where name and any other just title not allowed. Thereafter you have to write date and name of the place should also be written. The format of date that I have been making it clear is very much similar and consistent. You should not adopt any other method. Thereafter you have to write the just name and address of the receivers, and then dear sir in order to give respect, and thereafter subject should be written in one line, and the subject should be bearer of the central meaning, central thought of the letter. After that you find that the main body of the letter has been divided into three respective paragraphs, and these three respective paragraphs have three importance. The first one is general introduction, second one is the reason for writing the letters, and third one is the just appeal or suggestion if you have any. After completing your main body, you have to just write, thank you very much for your kind action, for your quick action. You may also write, your kind and quick actions shall highly be appreciated. And thereafter you have to just write yours faithfully. Yours should be written in this way only. No any other sign is required in between R and S, because this yours is possessive by birth. And thereafter you may write your name, and if you have to put your signature should be in formal writing, starting with capital letter only, but all the letters of your name should not be capital. And if you want to write your name, you may write your name in just bracket, and if you have any power, any capacity, that should also be written at the bottom, written at the foot of the letter. Students, this is one sample letter of official letter. I hope you are in position to just tackle it and write it away. Now I am going to give you some questions which you have to solve in your copy. The first one is that you are living in an area which is completely neglected by the municipal corporation of your city. A number of residents are suffering from malaria and waterborne disease. As Raman, write a letter to the health officer of the municipal corporation to take urgent steps to improve the sanitation of your area. These are the suggested points you have to keep in your mind. Now, the second letter that I am giving, write a letter to the mayor of municipal corporation of your town, appealing to him for better lighting on the roads leading to the main park. One more question is also there. You are Vivek Oberoi, partner of Swiksha Stores Ambala. You had to go to local railway station to send an urgent parcel, but the booking clerk misbehaved with you, which hurt your feelings greatly. Now write a letter to the station master complaining against the booking clerk's misbehavior. Valuable points or suggested points are here. Students, try to write these 3 letters in your school homework copy, which you have to buy from the school. Don't do it in any other copy, and it will be checked and avoided when the school is going to reopen. Thank you. Rest of the kinds of letter will be taught to you in next video. Thanks for watching it.